Yeah, so just a bit of a end of the day review for me and my trades. Coming on to EU at the beginning of the day, I mean GU, like we're in a bearish trend. We are in a bearish trend, and yeah, what was happening? Like we've not had it confirmed that we were bearish because we've not had demand hold, which rookie mistake on my part. Um, so I was looking for longs. I was looking for longs. This didn't actually get tapped into, which is a I could have looked for longs from there, shorts from there, sorry. Could have looked for shorts from there. Obviously, we did have the sweep of this, and then that's when I should have looked to get short. I don't know why I didn't. Kind of kicking myself now, but yeah, 4 hour. I like we've had a lot of momentum, bit of a V-shaped recovery. Like maybe it's just gonna smash through. We're smashing through these supplies, smash through that. Kind of got a reaction, then failed. I thought maybe this one's gonna fail. It's gonna go higher up in the leg because if we go to the daily, like the daily swing, we're still kind of in like the bottom half of that. So I thought, all right, okay, we're still in the bottom half of the PDRA. On the 4 hour, we're most definitely not. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So you want to be shorting, which is like I do use that PDRA, but that kind of maybe, you know what I mean? That was just an error on my part, thinking, okay, maybe maybe we can switch it up, change it up. I'm going to go long. All these are going to fail. It's kind of like a chain. I've already started failing. That was my idea. But we are overall long. Um, okay, got in here. I don't know why that's changed. I didn't. Is that when I entered? Yeah, I think I entered there and I closed it out pretty early. My stop loss can't have been that tight. I must have entered here. I must have entered here because I ended up at 1 hour up, so that looks like 1 hour. But anyway, so yeah, coming today, like we've had a big expansion in Asia. Like as London started, it's like going up. I thought, all right, good, good. Like the percentages of if Asia's bullish to then London is like quite high, and then this is finish bearish, end up finishing bearish, which is just unlucky. You know what I mean? It looks a bit messy in here, but once I've done my trade review for why I took this trade. Um, but yeah, looking forward, it's probably just going to keep going down now. This probably could be the high of the week. This could be like the weekly candle. The low of the week is here. We've not had a weekly wick yet, anyway, have we? I don't think we have. No, I've not had a wick on the weekly, which is strange. So maybe that's it. Maybe that's going to be the big wick. Or it might just consolidate because it's the first week of the year and it's going to be a pain in the ass. But I would say now that's going to be the high of the week. I think it's going to be bearish. I think, obviously, looking at the news, what's happened, that's good for the US. That's good for the US. Like the pricing in already could be good. So I should have been looking to go short anyway. Bit stupid trying to squeeze a long out of it on a Tuesday when I'm expecting a bearish week and I know the high of the week will either be printed on a Monday or a Tuesday. So yeah, like that's what I mean. Like I'm reviewing these things for you, but like I make these mistakes as well. You know what I mean? It's like I make these big mistakes all the time. In the moment, you make them. We're not all perfect, but it's how you deal with them. That's what'll make you a good trader overall. How you deal with them and how you move on. So yeah, that's just basically that. I think Euro was the same. Um, I was expecting. I thought that was going to be like a big. There's no way I would have put a. It's not actually what. What? Okay, well you're not a whim. It's not even a whim anyway. What the hell's going on here? What the? What's going on here? Oh my god, there we go. Right. Just my laptop being an absolute idiot. Right, okay. So I was expecting that, you know what I mean? Got quite a bit of liquidity resting above here, and I thought that was going to get taken, you know what I mean? Aligning with my bias. So today I'm not really upset about this has gone wrong. Like we had the flip, the failure, the entire zone didn't break, which is a bit like, okay then. But still, I thought we've got all this liquidity resting above here, it's going to take it. Looks like it won't though. The 4 hourly, like, yeah, we're in the wrong part of the PD array. You know what I mean? I bought in that, which I shouldn't have done. But then if I could zoom out even more, yeah, maybe on the daily, yeah, because of the high. Just overall with Euro, that's very silly. Overall, I mean, on the weekly, if the weekly keeps going, if you use it, keep zooming out, like you can always justify things to yourself. That's why it's just got to just go for it. You know what I mean? You have that. It's come down. So, like, it's a bit of an awkward one. You can just keep zooming out to justify yourself, but you know what I mean, you've got to be confident in what you're saying. And what I was saying today is all this liquidity is resting above here. If I had a flip and fail on the 15 minute, I'm gonna long here because it's gonna keep going up, and it's just not worked. Fundamentally, I was wrong, and analytically, I was wrong, but I was happy to take it in the moment. So yeah, seeing on from here, like I said, this could be the high of the week now for Euro. Got a lot to target down here. Might just bang a big short on here. Big short, target 1.5 hour. Target that. Previous week's low. 2 hour, see if that works out. Probably won't do, but I'm only messing anyway. Right, so enough of me just waffling on. Um, that's what I think is going to happen. I think this is probably going to be the high of the week printed now. Same on GU. High of the week printed. Swept all this. Which I did say on that video, didn't I? I did say I think that's a sweep. I don't think I'm going to be involved in this, which is good. But if I thought that on GU, why did I not go for the same on EU? Why did I then change my bias? You know what I mean? Could have entered on a flip there, to be fair. Reaction failure. Could have entered on that there. Could have entered on that. Put a short. Probably would have got stopped out, actually. That would have been a kicker. Well, I probably might have covered them in balances anyway. And then targeted the lower Asia range, which would have been 2R. That's what I could have done, but I didn't do it. I just didn't do it. So there we have it. But yeah, see you next time, guys. I don't know. We had to come today.